Hi everyone. I wanted to go over the questions on your slide 23. So first of all, make sure that we're reading the instructions in yellow. It's asking you to work out the problems on a separate piece of paper and then take a picture of it and attach it to the bottom of the page. Okay? So I am looking to see how you solved that math work. For each of the questions, there are more than one step. So you can see that number one has a part A, B, C, D. So let's take a look at number one together. So it says tickets to a carnival are sold on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Ticket sales total $3,072 on Friday, $5,082 on Saturday, and $4,134 on Sunday. Now, hopefully you've already taken your word problem notes. If you haven't, I would highly suggest that you go back over to your quarter one notes in ClassKick, take those notes, then use those to help you with these questions. All right, so number 1A says, what are ticket sales for all 3 days combined? Think about what that word combined is asking you to do. Add, subtract, multiply, or divide. There's a key word. If we look back, we can see Friday, Saturday, Sunday's amounts. Again, you're going to show me did you add these, did you subtract these? You're going to show me on a piece of paper how you did that. And then you're going to click here inside the box and type in your answer. Part B is asking, what are ticket sales for Saturday and Sunday? So again, we're thinking about Saturday and Sunday. Notice it's not asking about Friday this time. That keyword combined. Part C says, let T represent how much more ticket sales are on Saturday and Sunday than on Friday. So you're going to look at the information you just solved for part A and B and use those to help you solve for part C. Notice it says write an equation you can use to solve for T. So again, that variable T, I'm just using this letter there in place of your answer. So for part C, I'm not looking for the answer. I'm looking for the equation to arrive to your answer. And then part D is actually asking for that answer. So again, solve for A and B, use that information to write an equation for part C. And then the answer to your problem, your equation, is your part D. How much more are ticket sales on Saturday and Sunday than on Friday? It's saying that the T will equal what you solved. Number 2, same thing. We have a question. Okay. It says the table shows the number of points Sarah and Jordan score playing a video game. They each play 2 rounds of the game. This chart is where we're getting our information. We can see that Sarah and Jordan, and then there's round 1 scores, round 2 scores. Just like above, you have A, B, C, and D. Again, part C is you're just writing the equation, and D is where you're putting the answer to that equation. The very bottom, once you've worked all that out onto a separate piece of paper, you're going to take a picture and put it there at below the. Make sure that I can see it. If you need to resize it to make it smaller or bigger, please do that. So I'm looking not only for the answers, but I am looking for your work as well. Okay. Hope this helps.